Hello, my name is Carlos Gracia. This is a stock market program. I did this as a group project, so there's about 5 of us on here. And the name of the program is First Investors Heaven. So this is a program that gets input from the user to call and display stock objects. They can calculate the percent gain and organize the percent gain. It displays all the stock objects, data, information for the user to work with. Okay, so here it is. As you can see, stock symbol, open, today close, high, low, previous close, percent gain, volume, and we can sort this out. So let's see, we can sort by gain, and so it will show the highest gain first. We can also sort by symbol, which it will sort alphabetically. And so let's check that out. So there it is. It sorts the highest first and down to the lowest, and it looks accurate. Looks like it works okay. And so let's see. Let's check out the symbol. We can sort by symbols. And so the symbol, we got A, B, AO, CS, IB. MS looks good. So that's that, and these obviously correspond as well. Looks pretty good. So that's pretty much it. The only other option is quit. So got this GUI pretty much, this data, and look at the code and see what's going on there. So got a list type. This actually has the code in it, not just this actually has the implementation. So as you can see, yeah, there it is. The implementation is included as well. So we just thought that would be better. And so what this does, the list type, it's got is empty, is full, get length, get max size, sort, print, insert at, list type, or deconstructor. Okay, so initialize the deconstructor, constructor, deconstructor. So yeah, it's been a while since I did C++, so yeah, and I did this in 2013. So int max size, int length, element pointed to list. So basically this is just a list type, and then we inherit the list type and we use it for stock type basically. So, and we have basically the methods that we're going to use. So we can sort array by gain, sort array by gain, and pass it. It looks like two. It's an overloaded method, and print by gain. So thought it would have a sort by symbol because that was the other option there, but that's it for that. Okay, so there's a stock type here. This is the stock list type, and we also have a stock type, and we can take a look at that. So this is the actual stock type. So it's going to have the output stream, input stream, so it's easy to work with, and the data from the file, I believe. So stock type, print stock information, show prices, calculate percent gain, show volume, get percent gain, and we have operators overloaded so that we can easily, again, work with this data. So, and then the implementation will be over here. So the string stock symbol, yes, this will be all of the values that we've seen from the application, basically from the header, and all the values are going across there for each one of those. So that's that. And yeah, as far as overriding, I believe it's been a while since I coded this, so excuse me. It's been a while since I coded this, so if I recall, I believe this was to work with the file data, so I'll check that out. Let's see the implementation on that from the stock type, the overriding operators. So as you can see, for this and stream operator, for this operator, it's this is the iStream. Basically, when we use this operator, it is also the input stream. So return the IS, so input stream, and we'll get this. And stock type declares it to 0, everything. The print stock information, so yep, opening price, yeah, basically it just takes all those values and sets it going across evenly. So percent gain, and with the show prices. So that's that. That's probably if we call this. I don't think it's used in this GUI. This might have been implemented and not used, probably in earlier stages. Probably just used it in this fashion, but it doesn't display like that in GUI. So close prices minus the opening prices minus opening price divided by opening price times 100 is how we calculate percent gain. Volume, not too sure if this was something that we still implemented. Maybe not. I don't think this was used. And here's the overridden, not overridden, overloaded. I'm sorry, overloaded operators. So, all right. So when we have an operator for greater than, and there's a stock type here, basically return stock symbol dot compare it to other stocks, the other stock symbol. So, or yeah, so it compares that, and that'll probably make it easy to sort. So that's probably what that looks like. Actually, the stock symbol, it looks like it's used to sort the stock symbol. And we also have the overridden operators, but it looks like it's just the stock symbol. So maybe you could pass other, you could pass, but it's calling specifically the stock symbol. So this is really just for stock symbol. So that's what that's looks like it's doing. Like I said, I didn't see a method that specifically calculated or sorted. We had a sort for gain, we didn't have one for stock symbol, which I thought would be there. Would make things pretty straightforward and simple. But pretty cool that we have two ways of doing this. So we overrid, I said that again, I'm sorry, overloaded operators, so that we can use that to compare stock symbols and sort that out that way. So that's pretty cool. And then we have the method gain, which calculates that. I'm not sure exactly, so I'll have to look at that code. So we can look at that code now. Stock type was it here, sort by gain. So the implementation for stock list type, let's see, Yeah, that's what I want. I wanted this here. I'm not used to this. I code blocks. Sorry. Like, I didn't want to spend too much time there trying to get functions and all of that stuff. But yeah, I want percent gain. I usually code in sort array by gain. Let's check out these. I usually code in Java lately, so, and this is like 3 years ago when I wrote this code. So sort indices, gain loss, get percentage gain, and so this is an array. I'm not too certain whether it's sort equals new double array. Here we go. So sort indices, gain loss, and max size. So, and it takes this and stores it, and then it sorts it that way. So that makes sense. So basically it just gets all of the percentages, and then it can easily sort it once we have it in an array, obviously. So that's pretty straightforward there. Use your whatever sorting method algorithm you think is the most efficient for that, really. So I'm not going to spend any more much time on that. That's basically it. And my wire keeps getting caught. I'm sorry. Hopefully I don't have to redo this video. Just apologize. But so yeah, I think that's about it. The main. So we got this gain loss array and symbols. We've seen how it's sorted, really. So I believe it does read from a file. So in file here. So yeah, it takes this. And this, we saw this was overloaded. So from stock market file text, let's see if I have that. And here it is. So yeah, these are where all the values come from, that text file. And basically reads each one of these. So calculate percent gain for each one of these. Do that right away. Add objects to the list. So we got a stock list, insert that, and takes stock objects. Obviously, these we use the list type and then the stock list type, so that we can store stock type. And so we can do that and print financial report. Call the data header, so this would be like the that initial header there, and then this prints, so just call print and it will display everything. So yeah, that's about it. So here's print financial report. This is the header, pretty nice. And then the GUI, or there's actually errors, maybe not valid. Alright, so this wasn't implemented really, so it just it reads from the file and displays. This might have been again something that was done earlier, and we decided we weren't going to go that way with it, probably. But yeah, I don't believe there's anything that we can throw an error. So maybe if you know what, I think I understand what this is. This could be if I don't choose 1 through 3, so I'll check that out. Now that I see what that is. Okay. Yeah, so I'll check that out, and that's gonna be about it. So that's, yep, print stock information for each one of these, and that's prints get gain loss array. And then we have this method here. So this it's not really neat or anything. Alright, so this goes here, then this. Yeah, this is really terrible to read, but we'll call this method here. Alright, this is the beginning. This is, yeah, the beginning of this. Okay. Yeah, like I said, I'm used to Java, so this would be like up here. Yeah. So this is the beginning, and so print financial report, and then we loop through here and print the stock information basically. But it's got to go through the array, so because once we sort the array for the gain or for the symbol, and then it's stored in an array, and then basically it will just display sorted the way we wanted. So yeah, that's basically, looks like I covered everything. I'm gonna check out that error. So I didn't know that I would get an error, so let me enter a 4 here, and then there's that error, because you can only enter 1, 2, and 3. So yeah, we don't want anything breaking, so we gotta make sure that's handled. And now we have this box here, error, which is kind of a GUI, not a valid entry, enter 1, 2, or 3. Pretty cool. And that's gonna wrap it up. Thanks for watching.